Hey guys, in this video we will be looking how we can auto-fulfill a specific Shopify product using Shopify Flow. So I have created an automation. So this is the Shopify Flow. When the order is created, we run a code to get the order, and from the order we get the fulfillment fulfillment orders, and based upon the orders and the line items in the fulfillment orders, we are creating this data. Like we are targeting this SKU, like I am using this SKU. Like if this is the SKU in the order placed, then it will be auto fulfilling. So first of all, in the requirements, you need the Shopify Flow and the target product that you want to fulfill automatically. I'm using the full SKU. For example, this videographer snowboard has the SKU named as this one. So once the order is created, in the run code action, you can use this query, and after that you need to add the JavaScript logic. So here you can see the target SKU is the full, and you can copy and paste it right here, and after that you need to define the outputs like this. So and once this is done, you have to add a condition. Like here in the run code we are um, giving this output like it should fulfill. So if should fulfill is true, then run code should fulfill is true, then we will be using the send admin API request and fulfillment create ve2. This is the post request that we will be using, and in the post request we will be using this input. And the input, you can see the fulfillment order ID is coming from the run code fulfillment order ID, and the fulfillment line item is the run code line item ID that we need to fulfill, and the quantity and the run code dot quantity. So this is the admin API input, and this is the flow structure you can see, and you can download the exact Shopify Flow file right from here as well. And you can modify the code according to your needs as well. So let me show you the demo. Here I will be creating a new order with this videographer snowboard, because this is the item that we need to auto fulfill, and I'll be selecting some random product as well. So I will create an order, mark as paid, and from here you can see the order is created, and I will go back and see this is this automation is executed just now, and we're able to see all the steps executed. And if you can go to the orders now, it is the videographer's board is auto fulfilled. So please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.